Hey guys, John with Luxe Light Wrap here, and we're just in a Muto booth at SEMA 2019 taking a look at this awesome charger wrapped by Vinyl Vixen. They've got a great printed wrap with the carbon fiber, and if you notice, on the side marker we've got the dark stealth light wrap film. It gives it a nice satin sheen that matches well with the carbon fiber here on the car, so it doesn't stand out too much. On the taillights, we're here with Luxe Auto Concepts. We're still looking at the charger here in the Muto booth. We're wanting to look at the dark honeycomb on the taillights of this car and how it really nicely contrasts the carbon fiber wrap that they have. So because we have a matte carbon fiber wrap here with some gloss carbon fiber accents, this gloss honeycomb dark smoke tint looks fantastic on this charger. When the lights are off, you're not going to be able to see this honeycomb, so you get a really dynamic effect depending on day or night, whether your lights are on and off. This is a great car. Vinyl Vixen did the wrap.